Python, how to get the output of the function used in timer. I want to run a function for tens, then do other stuff. This is my code using timer. I know that using timer I can print something at the end of the timer, print B instead of return B, return true after 10 seconds. What I want to know is, can I get the value returned by timeout inside AA to perform my while loop correctly? Or is there another way to do it with another function?
The return value of the function is just dropped by timer, as we can see in the source. A way to go around this is to pass a mutable argument and mutate it inside the function. Or use global, but that's not the way a gentleman goes.
Timer objects wait and execute the callback function in a separate thread. If you want to return a value, you need to set up some kind of interthread communication. The easiest way to do this would be to set a global variable and have it modified by the callback function. Output 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 done. I know globals are often frowned upon, but they can be fine if used carefully. My usage here is limited strictly to the case where I am establishing shared memory to be modified by only one thread and precision is not critical.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and